Welcome to our comparison of the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti. In this video, we will explore the key features, performance metrics, and pricing of these two graphics cards to help you make an informed decision. The RTX 4060 is designed for budget-conscious gamers looking for solid performance, while the RTX 5070 Ti is aimed at enthusiasts seeking the best in gaming technology. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 offers a solid experience for 1080p and 1440p gaming, making it a great choice for casual gamers. On the other hand, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti takes performance to the next level with its advanced architecture and larger memory capacity, making it ideal for high-end gaming and demanding applications. The RTX 5070 Ti is designed to handle the latest games at higher settings with ease, while the RTX 4060 is more suited for budget-friendly gaming. Price is a significant factor when choosing between these two graphics cards. The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 is priced at $334, making it an attractive option for gamers on a budget. In contrast, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti comes with a hefty price tag of $924, reflecting its high-performance capabilities. While the RTX 5070 Ti offers more power, the RTX 4060 provides excellent value for those who do not need the absolute best performance. Memory capacity is another crucial aspect to consider. The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 features 8GB of GDDR6 memory, which is sufficient for most gaming scenarios at 1080p. However, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti boasts a substantial 16GB of GDDR7 memory, allowing for better performance in memory-intensive applications and higher resolutions. This difference in memory can significantly impact gaming performance, especially in future titles that demand more resources. In conclusion, both the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 4060 is a great choice for budget-conscious gamers, while the RTX 5070 Ti is perfect for those seeking top-tier performance. Depending on your gaming needs and budget, either card could be the right fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.